Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix you require permission from system to make changes to this folder in Windows 11. So this time you are facing problem, so you can resolve easily. For example, you have problem on this folder, so right click on it and properties, then here click on security, click on edit. Now here click on add, type here everyone. Now chat names. Now click on add. So you have this everyone user, allow this all permissions and give the full control. So just check this box, then apply. Then click on OK. Now try to open that folder. So this is the way you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.